Start with a sphere and shape his head. Add a sphere for his neck and another one for his ears. Carve his eye sockets, sculpt his nose, sculpt his mouth, then carve his eyelids. Add his eyes, finish sculpting his ears, then apply black color to his eyes. Model his eyebrows, his eyelashes, then add his sphere and sculpt it over his head. With curves, add his hair strands, duplicating them one by one till he has a head full of hair. Add a sphere for his torso, his arms, model his collar, sculpt his vest, model his sleeves, sculpt and add more layers to his clothes, start sculpting and modeling his tie, then sculpt some folds and wrinkles to his clothes and break symmetry. Continue detailing his clothes, sculpting and modeling the different parts of his outfits. Start painting his eyes with a lightish brown color for his iris and a black color for his pupils. Model some highlights, duplicate them, paint some shadows on his face, paint his lips, then paint some highlights. Lower his eyebrows to add an expression, then paint his outfit, adding shadows and highlights. Continue painting in more details for his clothes to finish up the design of his outfit. Cool. Rotate his eyes, his body, and his face. Nice. Add in some lights and appreciate your work. You are beautiful.